Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Nimsha Davis. And today we are going to learn how to install MongoDB on your system. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. So we are using MongoDB Community Edition because the Enterprise Edition is the paid one. So we are not using that. We are using the MongoDB Community Edition. Okay. So here I'll put this link on the description below so you can easily go and download it, and just go down below. Here you can see the current version, and you have to choose your platform. Mine is Windows x64, and here you can choose zip file or MSI file. Okay, I'm choosing MSI file so that I don't have to extract the file. Fine, just click it and download it. Fine, I have already downloaded the MongoDB Community Edition file, so just double tap it. Okay, click next, and here is the licensing. Just accept it and click next. We can install in two ways, that is either in custom, that means we can choose select particular features and all, or we can install completely. Okay, just so choose the complete one, and here we don't have to change anything. This is our data directory and this is our log directory. We don't have to change these things. Okay, just click next and ensure that this one is checked. Fine, and click next and click install. Just wait for a few seconds. Yes, there will be a confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Just click yes. So wait for a few seconds. Fine. It will take some time, so just wait. You can do along with me so that there won't be any issue. You can watch the video on your mobile and you can do the installation on your system. Okay, let me pause the video for a few minutes because it's installation going on. After the installation, I'll resume the video. Fine. Okay, so the installation setup is completed. Just click finish and just go to the services side. We have to check whether the MongoDB installed as a service or not. So just go click on M and check. Yeah, here we can see MongoDB server. It's running, right? So the next step is we have to install the MongoDB shell. Okay, so go to MongoDB shell page. I will also put this link on the description, and again scroll down. Here you have to choose the MSI package and correct platform. Okay, download it also. I have already downloaded it, so just double tap. Wait. Okay, one second, sorry. So just click run. And here in the MongoDB shell setup wizard, click next. And I'm just installing just for my system. I mean, just for Nimsha user. Okay, not for the other users. So make sure it's checked. Click next. Click install. Finish. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, now open our command prompt. Then type mongo sh or mongosh. See, this is the MongoDB terminal. Here we can write MongoDB commands. Fine. And I'm planning to do a MongoDB series as well. NoSQL with MongoDB series. Let's see if I got enough time to do that. I'll do that series also. Okay. So that's all for this video, and we can meet in the next video. Right? Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.